Hello everyone, this is Zeba Anjum from St. Mary's School Nagina. This video is a part 4 of operators in Java. We are dealing with computer applications with BlueJ of class 10th. So today in this video we are going to see some exercise portion of unit number 4, that is your operators in Java. In this video, only some of the questions we are going to see. For the rest of the questions, please solve it out on your own, and for the answers purpose, you can go to the link that I have given you in lecture number 7, or in this video also in the description given below you can find out the link. So please click on that and you can review your answer. But firstly, try to do the questions on your own, then afterwards only check your answer, or in case you feel any problem, you can let me know. So let us start with the exercise questions. See the first question over here. Int x equals to 90 we are having. Then we are having what? A ternary expression. So firstly let us fill in the values. 90 less than equals to 90. The condition is true. For true condition, the first expression is going to be evaluated. So char c equals to z. Your c will be holding what? Your c will be holding z. And yes, obviously within the single quotes, because your c is a character. So for this question, this is the answer. Now again see the second question. Int a equals to 18, int b equals to 12, and again you are having a ternary expression. So firstly let us write down the values. 18 greater than 20 and your 12 less than 15. Yes, so firstly the left hand side we will solve, then the right hand side will be solved, and then afterwards your middle portion, that is your logical AND operator, will be solved. So for the left hand side, if we see 18 greater than 20, the condition is false. Yes, in the middle portion we are having AND operator, and at the right hand side, see whether it be true or it be false, the answer will be false. So your compiler will not execute the right hand side portion, because at the middle you are having this logical AND, and there is only one condition that this AND will be giving you the true value, and that is what? Your both the condition, your C1, your C2, both the conditions should be true, and then only your result will be true. So over here already we have encountered one false value, so no need to write down or no need to solve this right hand side portion. The answer will automatically comes as false. Yes, so for this expression we are having our value as false, and if we encounter this false value, then the second expression is going to be evaluated. So your t will be holding what? Your t will be holding false value. Okay, no need to write down in any single quotes or any double quotes, because this is your boolean value. Okay, so you just write down like this, your answer will be correct. Now see the third question. Int c equals to 3 less than 4. Directly values are here. So see 3 less than 4. The condition is true. Yes, so the first expression will be evaluated. It means 3 multiplied by 4, that is your 12, and this 12 will be stored under your c. Yes, so you will be having c equals to 12 as an answer. So now let us try to solve this fourth question. Over here we are having our question. In this we are having k equals to 5 and j equals to 9. See the expression over here. Now firstly let us try to open this shorthand operator. Then we will get k equals to k plus, now everything in the bracket, k plus plus minus plus j plus k we are having. Yes, now let us substitute the values. The value of k is 5. Then again we are having k plus plus. It is your post increment. It means firstly we are using the value, then afterwards we are going to increase the value. Again we are having plus j. It means pre-increment we are having. So firstly increase the value, then afterwards use the value. Then afterwards only simple k we are having. So the value of k is what? It is 6. Now see, we are going to solve this bracket at the very first position. In this bracket again we are having minus and plus, and the precedency of both the things are same. So we are going to encounter this bracket from left to right. Now firstly we are going to solve this 5 minus 10, which will give you minus 5, and again we are going to solve this thing out. Now see, 5 plus 1, we are having what? 6. Yes, so the value of k becomes here 6. Now see the third line, over here we are having system.out.println. Yes, so now let us try to write down the output. You are having k equals to, the value of k is now 6, so we have to write down 6 over here. And then in the next line we are having j equals to, the value of j is 10, so we are going to write down 10 over here. So this is the output for this question. Now see the last second question. Again we are having an expression regarding your pre-increment and post-increment values. So firstly let us open this shorthand operator for the same. See, we are having a shorthand operator, that is plus equals to. So firstly let us try to open this expression up. So we are having a equals to a plus, now everything in bracket, a plus 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 a plus minus minus a plus a minus minus, and the value of a is what? It is 7 over here. Now let us try to fill the values. The value of a is 7. We are going to write 7 it over here. Then in the bracket we are having a plus plus. See, the operator are written afterwards. So firstly we are going to use the value, then afterwards we are going to increase the value. Then plus, again we are having this plus plus a. Firstly we are going to increase the value, it means your 8 becomes 9, and then afterwards we are going to use it. So 7 plus 9 we are having it over here. Then afterwards we are having minus minus a. So for this thing, firstly you are going to decrease the value, and then afterwards you are going to use the value, and plus a minus minus, it is your post decrement value. So firstly you are going to use the value, and then afterwards you are going to decrease the value for the same. So now within this bracket again we are going to solve this bracket out. See, 7 plus 9 plus 7 becomes your 16 plus 8 plus 8. Yes, now 7 plus, the overall addition will give you 32, and the overall answer is your 39. So the value of a becomes 39. Now for this question your answer is what? A equals to 39. Now see the last question of this slide, this one. In this question you have to write down the appropriate if else condition for the same. So for that kind of purpose, the first step is what? To identify your condition, and before this question mark everything will go inside your if condition. This is your if condition, so we are going to write down if, and within those bracket the condition will go over here. Now the first thing is, before your colon everything will be for your true condition, and after this colon you are having this false expression. So anyhow, see, please note one point, that these expressions are enclosed in your double quotes. So anyhow they are strings and they are going to be stored in your S. So ultimately S will also be your string. So now let us try to write down the if else condition. Firstly you will be writing if this overall condition you are going to write down over here, then afterwards you will be writing string s equals to, this triangle is not possible, after this semicolon, then this bracket, and then you will be writing else string s equals to, then triangle is possible. Yes, this is your appropriate if else condition. See, in this question string s is not given, so this is optional whether you write this string data type over here or not. You will be getting the marks whether you write down this string or whether you left this string, because in question this string is not given, only s is given, so this is optional. If in question you were having string s equals to this whole condition, then it would be mandatory for you to write down this string part. Okay, so such kind of questions you will be getting in your exams, or you can see in your unit test. Now let us see some more questions. We are having this question, and you have to convert again this question into your ternary operator. So let us try to write this out. Firstly, you are having if statement, and we are having an appropriate condition for the same. So we are going to write down this condition, a greater than b. Yes, then question mark. Now for this question, your variable is g, because see, in every case the value will be stored in what? It is stored in g. So over here, in case of variable, in place of variable we are going to write down g. Now see, this true portion is again divided into your if else part. So again we are going to write down a ternary expression for the same. So for the true expression we are going to write down a greater than c as a condition. Now again question mark. For the true part we are going to write down a, then colon, then we are going to write down c over here. Yes, again we are going to write down c over here. So basically this is for your true condition. This is your true condition. Now moving forward with your if else, again we have to write down what? Again we have to apply the colon over here. Then we are going to write down your condition b greater than c, then again question mark. Then afterwards you are going to write down this true condition, that is your b, as well as your c. And then at the last one you can give your semicolon for the same. So this is the answer for this question. Now again, see the next question. You have to write down the appropriate ternary expression for the same. So again, this is your variable discount. So firstly we are going to write down this discount equals to, then condition, that is your bill greater than 10,000, then question mark. Firstly the true expression, that is your bill into 10.0 divided by 100. The true expression is this one, and then your false expression, that is your bill multiplied by 5.0 divided by 100, and at the last you have to apply what? A semicolon. So this is a true expression and this one is the false expression. Now again see the last question. The same thing we have to do over here. The ternary operator, we are going to write it out. Ternary expression basically. So the variable is k. Now again we are writing k equals to, then condition we have to write down p greater than equals to 4750. This is your condition. Then question mark. Firstly the true expression, that is this one, p multiplied by 5 divided by 100. Yes, true expression is this one, then colon. Now your false expression, that is your p multiplied by 10 divided by 100, and at the very last you are going to apply this semicolon. So this is for your true expression and this one is for your false expression. Now these were some of the exercise questions. In case you feel any difficulty in any other question, please let me know, and in our next video we are going to start your unit number 6, that is mathematical library methods. Thank you so much.